Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to see some important key points from the topic Scientists and their Inventions, which will be useful for most of the competitive exams. Let's start. Telescope was invented by Galileo. The machine gun was invented by James Puckle. The microscope is used for the study of micro and nearby objects. Galileo invented thermoscope, an early form of thermometer. Ice Cube is the biggest telescope of the world. Willem Röntgen invented X-ray machine. William Henry Bragg shared the Nobel Prize in Physics with his son. James Watt invented steam engine. Telephone was invented by Alexander Graham Bell. Thomas Alva Edison discovered electric bulb. Gas engine was invented by Daimler. Waterman was the inventor of the fountain pen. Robert Watson was the inventor of radar. Alfred Nobel invented dynamite. Baird discovered television. Theodore Maiman invented lasers. Alexander Fleming is the discoverer of penicillin. Norio Taniguchi gave the term nanotechnology in the year 1974. The principle of black hole was enunciated by S. Chandrasekhar. Scientist S. Chandrasekhar got Nobel Prize for Astrophysics in 1983. S. Chandrasekhar proved that the stars with a mass less than 1.44 times the mass of the Sun end up as white dwarfs when they die. The photoelectric effect was discovered by Hertz. Albert Einstein is famous for the photoelectric effect. Albert Einstein was proficient in playing violin. Hargobind Khorana is credited for the discovery of synthesis of protein. The fourth dimension in physics was introduced by Einstein. The Nobel Prize for deciphering the language of B was awarded to Frisch. Sir C.V. Raman received Nobel Prize for Physics in the year 1930. The National Science Day is observed on February 28th every year to commemorate Raman Effect Day. The principle of thermal ionization is an outstanding contribution of M.N. Saha. The movie titled The Man Who Knew Infinity is based on the biography of S. Ramanujan. J. V. Narlikar propounded the new theory of relativity. Homi J. Bhabha is called the father of atomic energy in India? Homi Bhabha Award is given for special contribution in the field of nuclear energy. Jagdish Chandra Bose has carried out researches both in the field of biology and physics. Friends, if you like this video, please subscribe our channel and share with your friends.